got Raymond's Camaro back on the lift. And as you can see, we are draining the oil, doing some maintenance. Yeah, everything went great, but when you're looking at the data, this thing has had an issue at the 60-foot dropping oil pressure. It does even out and get oil pressure through the run. It's just at that initial hit, which I've had this problem before in my car, and the solution was to change the oil pan to a proper racing oil pan to keep that oil in that pickup tube area. The only problem is there's a lot of shit in the way to get this oil pan out.
So we'll be done in a couple hours.
Yeah, hopefully it's not that bad. New K member for sale. Basically just this pole holding the engine up, and we kind of teeter-tottered the whole thing.
Just tell them I was holding it up by my shoulder. And that's why I'm kind of crippled right now.
That's why it all hurt. Yeah, new K members in. We just got to tidy up all the other stuff, but yeah, almost done. Now that Raymond's car is finally off the rack, I can put mine back on, and I'll make a video soon on what we're doing to this thing to kind of explain where it's at in the process. We have been working on it a little bit, but yeah, we'll touch on that later. Just a quick recap on what we've been doing, because I really didn't video a lot of that. We were just in the kind of get it done type of mode. The transmission out to get some clearance, but the problem was in the front portion. That K member in specific was just too tight. It wouldn't fit. So basically we had to pretty much remove that K member, install a new one that had enough clearance to be able to put that pan on, and then finally put it all back together. At the same time, we decided to go ahead and kind of redo the suspension. That was probably the part that took the longest to get here, but we now have mensers on all four corners. And then, of course, with all those changes being done, we had to pretty much reset up the car, rescale it, set up the pinion angle. We got new control arms to kind of adjust the rear tire placement and all that stuff. And then at the end of it all, finally get in alignment to make sure that everything's set up suspension-wise. So now we can finally start chasing time slips. And the first, unfortunately, we didn't have enough time to go test before Streetcar Takeover, so we're gonna go this weekend and test there and just see what kind of problems we're gonna get into, because like I said, everything's untested on the car. Hopefully it makes an A to B, and we'll just have to see. But at least we're gonna get Raymond some seat time, which is kind of what he needs the most. So that's the plan. We'll see y'all at Streetcar Takeover. It is Texas Streetcar Takeover 2025. How you feeling, Raymond? What they say at Tech?
They said pack it up and go home. No, I was able to tech in for both days already, so we got it out of the way.
We can probably do a quick trans brake test to see what it's doing boost-wise on the trans brake, and then go from there. Cool. Small issue, big issue. Can't really seem to get the car to make more than 5 pounds of boost on the trans brake. So we got called up for test and tune. We're gonna make the hit and look at the data. The CO2 is on. We'll just have to see what comes out of that. Go from there. Heading to the pits on this super sunny. Oh man, the sun looks great on the side of your face. Look, your red hair is just glowing.
It's not red.
It's red.
Re-dyeing it again.
and the S10 showing up. A nice surprise here at Streetcar Takeover. The Raymond's car is not going so well. We're not making boost. We're lacking the boost department. There's something wrong where we're just not making boost. So we're gonna figure that out, hopefully. But Andy's here. He's racing in the 530 class with this car. We'll see how this thing runs. He had to go get the hood because he forgot the hood.
6 Captain DCT, you are both on deck. Not ready for you yet, but I will be calling you momentarily.
Hey!
Bro, I thought you retired.
Me?
What's going on
I thought
with
you retired.
No, I've been active. You just haven't
You've
come
been
to the
active.
track,
It's
bro.
you've been here the same amount of times as I have.
How long has it been? 5 years?
Yeah.
Actually, I went to HEP, so that counts.
So did I. I've been there more times than you have, actually.
That's very, you don't have a car.
And I don't have a car.
I need 6.
I came here to have a good time, not to work on a jalopy. Okay. Still having issues. We cannot get this thing to make boost. That's all we can do for today. So we're just gonna have a good time and do some test passes on wastegate. He needs to see time anyways because he keeps forgetting to turn things on and off and press the brake and release, and like it's a lot for him. And he's tired. So we're gonna get him some test passes just to get him comfortable in the seat. We'll be all right. We've already been faster than he's ever been, so that's a plus. So we'll go from there.
Also getting a meeting on the side of our merchandise trailer. We have our small...
Apparently we've got a new issue developing. He can't seem to hold brake pressure. He did tell me last time that he was kind of having trouble with it, so we'll have to check on that. That's why the burnout wasn't that great. I let him go anyways because I knew we were just leaving on wastegate. We probably didn't need a big burnout anyways, just kind of clean the tires off, which I was right. He did go a lot faster. I wasn't expecting that. 9.5. I mean, we were expecting like a 9.9 again, but he might be excited at that because that's his PB. We're kind of slowly integrating him into speed, but we still got boost controller issue and now a new brake issue that we'll need to fix, but that's why we test. I mean, there's so much going on. Ah, these guys, rookies over here. Rookies driving. Maybe the suit. It went all the way. but it still only made 6. Back from Streetcar Takeover, both cars came back a lot worse than they left. We're kind of diving into that right now, trying to figure out the culprit. But it sucks that we weren't able to really put any power down. Obviously, we got some fixes to do, but we also have some upgrades that we want to get to. We just got to get past this point. But the car, yeah, we're going to fix it. We're going to come back out. We're going to go faster. That's for sure. Just going to take a little bit of time. But that's it for now. I'll keep you all updated on what we do next. And hopefully the next couple videos, we'll be going somewhat fast. That's the plan.